What's up guys, MILINICH here, MILINICH'S Auto Detail. Today we're doing a review on the 3000 PSI Greenworks brushless. Turn it on. That's how loud it is. I'm not going to talk about it for 45 minutes and tell you all the specs and who made it and all that and where it was made and all the stuff that you don't want to hear anyway. So less talking, more action. We'll see how it works. We got the turbo nozzle on it. It's got good rinse down capability. No problem getting that soap off the panel. Plenty of pressure to get off bugs and whatnot. I'd say it's a good unit. Give it a go, guys.